Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Today's topic is Chadwick experiment. As you know, we have discussed electron discovery and proton discovery. Neutron discovery is left. So for this purpose, Chadwick experiment we will discuss. This is his experiment. He used radioactive element and that radioactive element undergo show radiation. He saw three types of rays, one band right side or another on the upper side, and one is remains undeflected. The the ray because this is an electric field, this experiment was done in electric field. So negative side that is downward bending shows proton because it bends toward it is proton means it is positive and bend towards negative end, and the upward bend toward because that one is electron and bend toward attract towards positive end, and the rays which remain undeflected that is neutron because neutron has no charge. In chemistry so far you should have learned that everything is made up of atoms. Atom consists of nucleus and negatively charged particles surrounding the nucleus called electrons. You know well, electron move around the nucleus and nucleus is positively charged because proton is there. Inside of the nucleus are proton positively charged particles and neutrons neutral particles. Neutron has no charge, that's why they are neutral particles. If the atom is not an isotope means neutron are fixed. We know that there must be an equal amount of proton and neutrons, right? For example, helium particle. If we discuss helium particle, atomic number 2 and atomic mass 4, 2 electron, 2 protons and 2 neutrons. No isotope means 2 neutrons are fixed. We also know that there has to be at least 1 proton and 1 neutron inside of nucleus. In hydrogen atom, 1 electron and 1 proton, no neutron. In deuterium it has 1 neutron. How do we know this to be true? Who discovered this and how did they do so? One of the main contribution of this knowledge we have now about atoms is James Chadwick. James Chadwick was a scientist. This is a diagram before I've discussed. This is that one, the diagram of an atom, and all things stated above apply to this diagram. You can leave it. You know, atom has electron, proton and neutron, that was discussed before. So diagram is not placed here. In the year of 1932, James Chadwick conducted a series of experiments that would change the world of science forever. Although we know that there are protons, neutrons, and electrons in an atom. In James Chadwick's time, most of this was still being experimented upon, means no discovery of these particles. James Chadwick, before at that time, electron and proton were discovered. Neutrons, because if the particle was not discovered, who can tell the name? So, being experimented upon. Okay, in the beginning, the experiment he did were to prove that alpha particles are helium particles having 2 electron, 2 proton, and 2 neutron. So 2 proton and 2 neutron, they are placed in nucleus, become the mass of helium 4. Fell on light elements such as beryllium. Beryllium have atomic number 4. Beryllium have 4 atomic numbers, 4 electron, 4 proton, and neutron. Its atomic mass is 9, 5 neutron, right. Boron having 5 atomic number, so 5 electron and 5 proton. Lithium has 3 atomic numbers, so 3 electron and 3 proton. Actually, neutrons are gamma particles. Gamma has no charge, neutron has no charge. So neutrons are gamma particles. A type of radioactive decay. Decay means radioactive element continuously decayed and show radiation, light. So this is the decay of radioactive element. That has the shortest wavelength, but it is the most energetic form of decay. Most energetic because of radioactive element. Would not be the result. Chadwick hypothesis was correct. It was not gamma radiation, but rather a beam of neutrons. Yes, it is actually neutron, not gamma particles. Okay, the emitted particles after enduring the beryllium target becomes neutron. Beryllium have neutrons. So in the diagram, the first diagram, this one, beryllium is placed when alpha particles, alpha source, when radioactive element show radiation. Further ionize the paraffin wax and then proton. The emitted particles after enduring the beryllium target becomes neutron and fall on the paraffin wax. This is about the experiment. The paraffin wax in turn releases another type of particles, proton. Proton also present in any atom, so protons were released. At that time, atoms were thought to be made up of protons and electrons. To the diagram of the experiment James Chadwick conducted, they are pretty self-explanatory, and so far much work and calculation. Chadwick proved that the particles released from beryllium were uncharged. Uncharged means they are neutrons and had a mass slightly larger than proton. Neutrons are somewhat heavier than protons. Electrons are the lightest particle. Having discovered this, he named them neutrons. James Chadwick discovered neutrons. Okay, Allah Hafiz.